Welcome YouTube, Cooper's Automotive, hanging with Mr. Cooper today, that's me. And we've got a 2002 Nissan Quest 3.3 liter sitting here, and it's got some codes in it, so let's shoot a picture of these codes. It's got a misfire issue, kind of comes and goes. Pull the scanner up, pull the codes up. We got a knock sensor code. We got a cylinder number 4 misfire detection code right there. So here's what I concentrated on was the misfire, because check engine light's been flashing, coming and going. It's solid right now, and it's got new distributor cap on it. It's got new wires. It's got new plugs on it. Little research. What was interesting is cylinder number 4 is right here. Comes across. Hits the distributor cap right here on this side. And this cap unbolted and pulled it up. I don't see any burn marks in the distributor. But what I noticed is the coil tower and plug number 4 in the distributor cap are close to each other right there. What you're going to see, I'm going to turn the key on, Dave, and what you're going to see right here is you're going to see spark jumping out of the side of the coil to ground right there. So I'm going to hit the key, Dave, and get a close-up right of that area so they can see that. Okay, I hope we got a good picture of that. So we've got a cracked tower right here inside of this coil, even though I don't see burn marks on it, but it's obvious, and it's crossing over to our cylinder number 4, so I have to call the customer up, authorization to fix it, put a new distributor in this thing. You can't purchase parts for it, you gotta buy a whole distributor. It would be nice, because all we really need is a coil. And I'm going to replace the distributor, so when I get authorization to do it and I get the new distributor here, we'll pull it out and show you how we do that. We'll be back! Okay, well, we're back with authorization to do this. Picked up a Napa not reman, but a new distributor. Part number's there. And anyway, first thing we got to do is get the old one out. So I got the bolt out of it right here. You got one 12mm bolt, kind of mark and look at the area it's in, look where your rotor's pointing in that direction. Unplug one wire here, and this one right here. And let's see. Yes, hold that for me. Just kind of watch it as you pull it up the rotation. Try to line the new one back up that same way that it rolls in there with. Alright, obviously the new one comes with a new cap. Take that off. I am sure I'll use it for now. Let's get this thing lined up here. Turn around. Pray that it goes in smoothly, that I'm not having to play with it too much. Why does that look different? Looks like a tooth off. That's even worse. Try to get it in between that. Come on, baby, cooperate with me. I believe, from what I can tell, that that's the direction it was pointing. This is going to slide like about right in that area from where the original bolt was at. Let me find that bolt. Start it right here. Get that in there. I'm not going to tighten this all the way down. I'm going to probably wind up checking the timing anyway. But the main thing I want to see is that our misfire, that way when it was running, that you can't really show on camera, it was obviously misfiring. This being a new cap, I'm going to set it on here. Like I said later, after I've confirmed that we have a fix, I will put the new cap on it. So these are 7 or 8s, I'm not sure. I didn't read the socket. Anyway, let's get those in there. Being careful with this, because tighten them down too much, you're going to break them off, then you're screwed. Snug. Just snug as a bug in a rug. And that's it. Alright, let's fire it up. Make sure our misfire's gone. If it ain't, we got more work to do. Okay. We're smooth. So we've got it fixed there. So if you run across this, it could be related to another cylinder, but it looks to me most likely, most of them are going to be related to that cylinder number 4 misfire on these vehicles. A lot of times these cars come in completely no start, no spark, because they arc out so bad they actually short out the module within the distributor. So we got a fix, guys. We're going to cross that P0304. I'm going to address the knock sensor on this and see if he wants me to repair it. If he does, then we'll go after that. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Talk to you soon.